Hi there, my name is Rocky with Clark & Company Roofing. I'm here to attempt to repair the roof at Miss Terrie Waller's house at 216 Williams Trail. Claim number is 85-00850167. This right here is the bad shingle right here that we're going to be replacing. And that is the new shingle we're going to be putting in. I'm going to pass it off. I'm going to go ahead and get these nails taken out. Alrighty. So the first thing we have to do is find the end of where the shingles are. Shingle ends right there. Goes into, look at there, that's already broke free. Alright, let's go ahead and start popping this thing free. Alright. Break this next one free. Alrighty. Alright, now we're going to find the nail to go under to get it out. Slipping a little bit. I'm not going to lift it any more than what I need to get the nail out. Oh, there you go, right here. Got that one out pretty good. There we go. Got that one out pretty good. Nails. Next nail is. There's not another nail on the bottom. Okay, they only had 3 on the bottom. Broke free. There's the first nail. I do not see there's a nail. That's a nail pop right there. Alrighty. Finally comes out. There's one more right there. Came right on under. Alrighty. Put them here. Put them right there. Should put this thing right on that side there. He is definitely seen better days. Alright, now we're gonna grab the new one. Just slide it right on in there. Just like that. Like that. Alright. I gotta get under here to get this nail in. It's gonna make it really hard to do. There. Go down. That's right there. Right here with it. Again, I have to go up just high enough to get the nail in. Ready? Next one. Right here. That's tough. There in that corner. Alrighty. There's that. We gotta get these next 3 right there. Oh! Right here. Go right back in the same hole. This one right here. That one was there. The same spot. One more to go. Oh. Alrighty, got all the nails back in. Chop go. Done. Alright, so I'm just going to show, if you're going to bring the little camera a little closer. You can see right here that this shingle is completely creased all the way across. And all of these above, the dragon teeth have already began to break free just from trying to repair this roof. So I'm going to have to repair that one as well. And I have damage all on every slope. So I'm going to have to just keep repairing up and up until you got a gigantic tornado effect look on the roof with patches. So there's really no way to repair this roof. Thank you so much.